This is the Amazon Echo. It takes the speaker to a whole new level with its smart features. I've had this one for a few months, and I've used almost every other smart speaker you can think of. So, in this video, I'll help you figure out if this is truly the right fit for you. Inside the box, you'll find the Echo speaker, no surprise there, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Setting up your Echo is super simple. Simply download the Alexa app on your smartphone, open it, and follow the straightforward instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Using this speaker has been one of the easiest experiences for me. All I need to do is say Alexa loud enough for her to hear me, and surprisingly, it can be from quite a distance, followed by my request.
Alexa, what's the weather?
It's -5 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies.
You can adjust the volume with your voice or use the physical buttons on top of the speaker, which also include an action button and a mute button. I love the unique design of this device. Its sleek, round shape houses an upward-firing woofer and dual tweeter speaker system, delivering rich, clear HD sound, even at higher volumes. Measuring about 6 inches wide, 5 inches tall, and weighing only 2 pounds, it's lightweight and really easy to handle. The device is wrapped in high-quality fabric and durable plastic with multiple color options to choose from. Plus, the bright light ring at the bottom changes colors to indicate what Alexa is doing, whether she's listening, muted, processing, or responding. From my own experience with this smart speaker, it truly does everything right. Alexa handles a wide range of tasks with ease, from looking things up and adding items to my shopping list to controlling my other smart devices and much more. It's perfect for the whole family, whether helping with homework or providing fun entertainment like telling jokes or playing built-in games. The sound quality is fantastic, and the microphone picks up my voice easily, so I don't have to shout for her attention. One of my favorite features, though, is custom profiles. This allows the speaker to recognize your specific voice, making it even more personalized. The Amazon Echo has truly impressed me with its performance, and I'm confident it'll exceed your expectations too. If you're looking to add a smart speaker to your home, the Echo is an outstanding choice that delivers in every way.